My name is Nidhi Agrawal and I'll be your instructor for Fingertips Microsoft Excel Beginners to Advanced level. What is Excel? Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet developed by Microsoft in which it can be worked in different operating systems like Windows, Mac, iOS and etc. It features calculation, graphing tools, pivot tables and macro programming language called VBA, that is Visual Basic Application. Using its features and applications, you can make sense of your data. It's a handy software that can be used to store and organize your plenty of data sets. Excel analysis is ubiquitous and used all around the world for all kind of businesses, small or large, and for all kind of analysis. You'll see we'll start from beginning and we'll reach to this level that where you can make this kind of dashboard. What is the precondition and requisite for this session? It is just you need to install Microsoft Office in your computer, and then I'll be your guide in your entire process. I'll be using Microsoft Excel version 2019. Purposely, we have kept the length of our sessions short so that it is easier for you all to grasp and understand. So in the coming sessions, we'll show you different type of concepts and different kind of shortcuts. Shortcuts like how to add a sort filter in 1 second, how to put a pivot in just 5 seconds, and all these and etc. So it will be a wonderful journey and I'll see you.